Welcome to 2005 Pullman Lane. We're going to take a look at Unit 2 in the rear building. So the unit we're going to look at is the one with the big deck up above the garage, and the middle garage spot would be yours. Okay, so we're heading in this door on the left and up the stairs. Let's go. Newly carpeted flight of stairs. No one above you and your garage below you. So you have a nice sunny living room with high ceilings and pergo laminate flooring, but in the dining area, which is pretty good size, and the kitchen, it's tile. Everything is the cabinets weren't replaced, but the counters are new. The sink, faucet, there's a dishwasher, new blinds, new windows throughout and doors, new microwave, electric range. You need your own refrigerator though. And looking back towards the south of the living room, there's a big deck you can access from here or the other door there, which is the bedroom. It's about 10 by 20 feet. The bedroom is very ample sized, king size bed, maybe two. Wall-to-wall closets, new verticals, new windows, new carpet. Over here, a new vanity with white quartz counters, nice faucet and easy close drawers and doors, and an all-new bathroom, new ceramic tile, a shampoo locker, brand new tub, and a brand new solar tube to bring natural light and in from the roof through the sunlight, and also some exhaust fan and a night light. And one more view of this ample deck. The ocean's about a mile, maybe less, that way. You're going to love it.